Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a little denim skirt with ribbon and lace trim to fit 9.5-inch Moana dolls and similar sized fashion dolls. But before we begin sewing, please go to my website chellywood.com to download this free PDF sewing pattern. We'll be using the View A or View D skirt pattern. I recommend using very lightweight denim, and if you need some, I did put a helpful link in the description area below. Use your pattern to cut out your skirt on the fold, which means that when you unpin it and you open it up, it's going to flatten out because we folded the fabric. And along the longest side, you're going to fold it once and then a second time to create what's called a casing. Your pattern shows where to fold for the casing. Sew close to the edge of the casing like you see me doing right here. I'm using pink thread mostly for your benefit, but you might want to use a matching thread color. At this point, you'll want to switch your sewing machine to a basted stitch length. You're going to fold the other longest side of the skirt one time, basting along the cut edge of this fold. Switch your sewing machine settings from base stitch to a regular stitch. Next, attach a piece of lace on the wrong side along the bottom of the skirt opposite the casing. And now flip your skirt over so you're looking at the right side. Pin a 1/4 inch wide ribbon to the bottom of the skirt with 1/8 inch of denim showing underneath. Sew the ribbon to the skirt. Using a 1/4 inch wide braid elastic, measure and cut elastic to fit with a slight overlap. Attach a safety pin to one end of your elastic. Send the safety pin through the casing. Secure the elastic in place with a straight pin on both sides of the skirt. Now that can be tricky to understand, so I'm going to show you. I'm just sending my elastic through, and when I get toward the end of the elastic, I insert a straight pin, making sure it goes all the way through the elastic. On the other side, I do the same thing, and then I remove my safety pin. Now your skirt will look like this. Fold the skirt in half, keeping right sides together. So notice here are my straight pins. I bring those together, and then I'm going to stitch from here to here. Stitch over the elastic a couple of times, and then stitch from the top of the skirt to the bottom of the lace trim. You'll notice I also added a maker's tag. If you need some specialized maker's tags, I recommend Mayday Labels on Etsy. Look for a link below. That's who I use. Invert your skirt, and that's what I'm doing here. And now you're ready to try the skirt on your doll. For more free, printable PDF sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, including Moana's little pink gingham top. You can make that too. Please remember to visit my website for those patterns. chellywood.com. What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Chelly Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula. But don't worry, you don't have to be really good at math to learn how to take a pattern you already own and make adjustments to that pattern so it will fit a different doll. And that's just one feature of pattern alterations. In my class, you'll also learn how to shorten and lengthen a pair of pants, and how to turn a pair of pants into shorts, or how to widen them at the waist, and even how to lengthen the inseam for taller dolls. We'll also learn how to adjust a skirt, making skirts that are more full or less full for a totally different look, and I'll show you how to create a gusset for a dress bodice, and how to design your own waistband for a skirt based on your doll's measurements. I'll walk you through the steps to several different pattern alterations, teaching you how to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and how to make felt prototypes before you finalize your pattern. Regardless of the size or shape of the doll you enjoy sewing for, altering your patterns will help you turn your creative ideas for making original doll clothes into a variety of patterns for making shirts, pants, shorts, skirts, and dresses. I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.